I'm putting my thing on. Here's the marlin.
Oh, he wants
He won't say die, yes. But I'll grab that bloody later.
There he is. But he's a decent one.
He's a decent.
Hang on.
Far out. Ow. Is it the same one?
Oh, we lost him. Oh, mate, this one's a mother.
This one's bad.
This one's a...
This one's man. This one's green and still.
Do you want me to try and get the hooks out?
No
Trying to
way.
get in the boat.
Get away, bro. Yeah, I can spare you.
This one's a mother. I'm gonna get
I got good video footage on with this. Lucky we got a strong piece.
Come on, mate. I won't be able to move my arm tomorrow. This one's as tough as nails, guys.
Dad, guess what? We got another fall coming, you know. Dad? We got another fall coming.
I could get that with the axe.
Dad, get it in
This
the...
one is a little bit bigger, eh?
See, I did fight a bigger one.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, see if it's got one of those little fish, then we might catch 6.
Yeah, this one's bigger.
Ha! I fight a big one.
Holy Christ.
Move, I want to get a big video picture thing.
Oh, that's heavy, eh?
Look what I farted. I farted this marlin.
Watch out, buddy.
Oh, that's heavy. That's ridiculous.
I'm getting...
Ready? Put him up. It's gonna smash.
Ow,
It's gonna smash.
Take a video. Keep taking a video. Keep taking a video for me.
He's gonna belt my head here.
Keep taking...